Hey guys, so it is amazing what a little bit of rain will do. And like I was saying in another video, there are a couple things we can do to recover our lawn. So you should be able to see pretty easily in your lawn if it's recovering very well. So if you see behind me, this this was pretty burned out a month ago, but with the rain and the cooler temperatures, it's actually bounced back pretty good. That is one of the benefits with zoysia. It does tolerate the drought conditions pretty well, as long as it's getting a little bit of water. It may not look great, but once all the temperatures and the rain returns to a better situation, it bounces out real quick. A lot of times what you can do is just be patient with it. Like I said, top dressing will help, the correct fertilization program, and then we're getting some more rain and we're going to be cooling off, and we should be able to get everything situated and looking good before the winter time comes. If y'all have any questions, just let me know, and y'all have a great day.